Killer, this is your daddy's new toy. You're mushing all over it. Look at it. You're squishing its head, baby. You are. And I know it's fun dominating stuff, and you're getting all in that shit, but that's just kind of wrong. Damn. Look at you. You're just squishing the hell out of that thing. Wow, baby. Is that good, mush? Is that good? Is that good, mush? Yeah. You're getting it. You're getting all in that mush. Yeah. Is that a good stuffed animal? Daddy picked a good one, didn't he? Yeah.